welcome back. This is Vishal. So I will tell about the BTC what's happening in BTC. We can see the next level here. There is a possible to market can go up movement. It's going to be craziest move like 90,000. But we have to see the pattern is bullish patterns completely here. Is this is a three level here in downside bottom. You can see this is the level here. It possible to if it's break out this one level again, 66,000 market can reach this 90 again. So this is exactly if it's break out that one level, it didn't break out this one level here because it's completely retest that one level. If it's break out yesterday in 2 week 2 days before, that's a good point to market can reach here to 51,000, but it still have a pending this support level. It's a very strong support level. So what we need to see the market, we can see the market upside movement. It's a bigger upside movement. So I just will share everywhere this one picture. You can see the market in 2 3 days and in next week market can reach easily there, and one move is possible like that. This is the one move is possible for 73 74, and if you want to keep your positions you can keep your positions open, and then we can see the market next move in 90 91 90,000. But three level is completely done for bottom. If it's break out that one three level, so market can reach downside completely, guys. So this is important. What we need to do, this is the last level here, 62 and 61 level. This is the last level here. So you can keep your SL behind this one here, 58, 59, 59,000, and then you can keep your positions open, and let's see. So this is the first strategy is to wait for a right moment, enter your entry, because this moment is the center point here. So this is actually the center point, this line. This is the possibility to mark in to just for a retesting here, and then market can push the prices upside. So 63 level is going to upside moment. So if it's the first priority here, we have to break out the 65 level, this one level, and 65 level. When you break out that market and push it, the price is highest level is going to be 73,000 is possibility there. We can cover out our profit this one level, right? So what, you can go 1 hour time frame. Simplest market is reaching here. This is the last support here. We break out yesterday, and this is the craziest movement, but still have a pending this support level. It's the highest support level here. So there's so many times market retesting here, and as you can see, this one is buyer pressures. How many here? Simple as guys. So which is trend line is retesting here, and one of the bigger things is 3 times here retesting market. That's why moving downside, right? But yesterday didn't break out yesterday. This one area, if it's break out yesterday, this one area, market can go downside, but still have a pending, still have upside market. What, that is the way we have to see the market upside. So this is exactly because the last week I just made the videos and everything. There's a moving downside and buying positions. That's the craziest moments, right? So one of the one step when I posted this one, this is market in a range, and step by step market can go like this upside, and this is upside again, right? Like that. So still have bigger support level here. This is the area is 62, and other, if you want to keep your SL will be little far, it is very far, like 59, 59 and 60,000. That was your level to be, but it's completely market here retesting. It is a bigger support level. If it's break out this one support level, it is a very difficult to market can go reach downside. So what we need to do, we have to just keep your buying positions from here. It's possible to market can reach up. Okay, I hope you understand here what I'm trying to say here. The easiest way We focus on just buying, buying, buying. Okay, so this is actually here. So keep your buying positions from here. You can buy positions from here also, and this is the area also buying positions. This downside all the 60, 60, 68,000 as a buying positions also you can buy from here also. Thank you so much, guys. See you in next videos and next week. What happening in the next week? We can go. I will show you a little bit other what happening for next week. It's simple here. This market push with the price. I have a keep my positions open. You can keep selling here because it's the last level here to be 623.50. We can see the downside here 22.97. Okay, and what was the Tesla? Tesla, you can keep buying positions, guys, because it's Tesla. We can see the next level 193. That's a great trend line. It's already breakout here. And what's the next? Euro USD. Ethereum. At the same Ethereum also you can you can buy Ethereum here. This is completely done. There's the second level, and you keeping the buying here because there's the same in the BTCs. What's going on in the BTC? That's we can see this the level of the market try to push the prices going upside, and we can see the level, right? So this is the bigger support here. What you see in Ethereum, there is this two support levels completely is making here, and that was the buying positions is corrections, which is very comfortable. We can see this one level going up when we break out that trail line. You can see this one trail line and break out, and then we can see this level upside again the same level, right? So this is a bigger scenarios. You can follow this BTC. If you follow BTC and Ethereum working same here, right? So what we need to do, we just focus on a BTC. This is the first major currency in a BTC. That's why we have to see the first BTC and then after Ethereum, how is it work, right? So this is good. So this is breakout is completely that was a support level and the retesting two time here, and which is very important too. We have to keep our buying positions from here, right? That's a good. Other things, Nifty, Bank Nifty, guys. I just posted this one things. Just we sell from here. That is a support level. Market pushing the price it upside. All of the things I just explained here. Euro USD, there's a great things, guys. Just break out that one level is completely retesting here. We can see this level is downside 1.0657. That's a good shape scenario. Dollar is going to be craziest, guys. I just buying from here because I just see this one greatest pattern here, and other things going to be crazy strong. Dollar right now is going to be 167, 119. That was a great, right? So what we need to do is put a testing point here, and then market huge again upside. That's what it did. So this is a bigger point here. US 30 is you can keep your buying positions, whatever. You think LTUSD, LTUSD, there's nothing here. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I hope you understand lots of things here. What I'm trying to say here. Keep your positions open. Buying positions are strong here. You can keep your SL if you want. If you don't want to give anything, you can keep your SL behind this 162 level, and one SL will be here. That is a good point. So this is a good time to give buying here. In Ethereum also same. This is Ethereum. Ethereum also the same. This is a good time to buying right now, and you can keep your positions open. But your SL behind this one here because you don't want to give your SL bigger here because Ethereum it's making the greatest pattern here to need to buy from here Ethereum because this is the pattern actually is working here to Ethereum. This is double top, making here to bigger support level, bigger resistance level. This is the greatest, right? So this is a bigger point too. We execute our trade and your SL behind the point. Behind the point. We can see market can break this one level this time. We can see the market can break this one level again. So this is a good time to be buying here. But your SL will be behind this one too, base support level. This is the bigger time to be. You have to keep your SL behind this one area, right? So you need to decide how much you have to give for the market, how much you have to lose, and then you can cover up that's much amount, right? So good time to buy and keep your positions in a 1 week, and in 2 3 days you can keep your positions open, and that's you have to trail after you have to trail your SL very nicely. Then you have to see the level what is the right. This is you can see yesterday breakout this one level you can see bigger greatest candle here. It's like a hammer and market pushing downside. So thank you so much guys. I hope you watch our videos and you like our videos and ideas also. Just follow our channel, subscribe and like and whatever, right? Thank you so much guys.